Hello guys, in this video we are going to exploring Figma's components. We are start from really simple. Okay, let's see. Here this page, this is a component, this main component. So let's see, we can copy these things. Okay, okay. If we change this main component, then all will be same changed. Okay, if you change the color in main component, every places all component sub component will be changed. This is very important for a big project because we need different type of button, same button in a project. That's why component is very important. So let's see, we can try to make component. So at first we make a artboard. Okay, so now we take a rectangle. Okay, rectangle height will be 48. Okay, okay, now okay, this is, we'll make the button. So now get started. Sorry, on it. Okay, now you can make a color. Text color yellow. Okay, now centralize. So now we'll first time create a group. Okay, into group, then we will click the right button in mouse and create component, and first time create auto layout, then we will create component. This will be component. Okay, so if we copy from here, so when we will change color in anything in main component, then all sub component will be changed. Here also make auto layout, all is same. So get started. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this. I will next video I will show class, component, color palettes and some basic things for big project. Okay, thank you.